Okay guys, I think I've definitely got this wired up right. So as we can see, it's that's your power going in, live, neutral. For the stepper motor, the NEMA 23 is blue, yellow, green, red, and then that's going to the X axis. Obviously it meets those colours into there. So that cable there from the stepper motor is going into there. And then we've got the X-axis on the stepper board, red, green, blue. We'll turn that round so we can read it. It's red is COM, green is CPX, and I think it says DX for the blue. Now that cable there, those three colours are going into the micro stepper driver. Blue, red, green, sorry, red, blue, and those two reds are joined into there. So I'm hoping, I just want to try, and there's the power supply. That's off of a 3D printer I'm trying to repair. Basically, this is the setup, and I'm only trying to go into Mac Free and try and test the motor. But this button keeps coming up, reset flashing. I don't know what that means. If we go into the configuration to the plugins, I've just started using Mac Free. We can see that NVUM plugin version 2 is installed, and it's got the wee green tick next to it. So basically all I'm asking really is, are those cables wired in correctly? And what do I do here to test that motor? Because obviously I've never used Mac Free before, and I do not know where to start to try and just test the motor quickly. That's all I'm trying to do. Test the motor to see if trying to test the motor to see if I've got this wired in correctly. I think that's the most important part.
So now we're dealing with wiring this thing, which is sort of a mess because I actually but we can't when the battery's sitting right down here. We need that to power the distributor. And man,
yeah,
you know,
so if anybody can help me, I would appreciate that. Thank you.